Aloha! In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the Assignment, Tests, and Surveys tool in Laulima. It's also known as the ATS tool. Now, what I've done for my students is I've shortened the name and I just call it Quizzes because this is the tool I use for quizzing. And no matter how you call it, you would reach it by clicking the button in the left-hand nav bar. So once you're on this page, you'll see the status of all of the quizzes that are available to you. If the quiz is open, it will say Begin here, and the status will be ready to begin. If you finished it, it will say Finished. If you started it but didn't complete it, you'll get this message, and if you didn't attempt it at all, it will say that it is closed. Each of the quizzes will indicate the date that it's open and the date that it's due. I've left this one blank just because it's a demo. How long the quiz is, and how many attempts you get. You'll notice for the rest of these quizzes, I was allowed 2 attempts, and I took only one of them. For this one, I didn't do it at all. For this one, I only have 1 attempt, and I haven't even started it. This score is here. You have to know what the score is. For my quizzes, it's out of 5, so I got 5 on this quiz, 3 on this, 4 on those, and then 0s for the rest. So when you're ready to take the quiz, you click Begin, and you'll get the instructions for the quiz. Many instructors use this for multiple choice, but it can also be used for essays and short answers. For this one, I've included an honor pledge, and if I don't click it and I try to begin, I get the message that I can't do it until I click the honor pledge. So I'll go back, click the honor pledge, click begin, and then I'll get the first question. All I have to do is click one of the answers. If I change my mind, I can go back and click the other one and click save. Or I can wait till I've answered all of them and then just click finish. So when I'm done, I'll click finish. And it's very good about making sure that you are quite clear that you've finished this. It'll ask you once, are you sure you're completely done? And then it will say you have unanswered questions. Are you sure you want to finish it? And then you click finish again. And then a third time it says, are you sure you're completely done? And then you'll get whatever message your instructor has left you when you've completed your quiz. And then your instructor will set up a time for you to review your answers. For my quizzes, you can't review them until the week is up. And then when you come back after that week, you'll see that I'm allowed to review the questions here. And at this point, I can review all of the questions and look at the feedback. And these are the basics for using the ATS tool.